Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why do volcanoes and earthquakes occur where they do? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why do volcanoes and earthquakes occur where they do. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about why do volcanoes and earthquakes occur where they do. At diverging plate boundaries, earthquakes occur as the plates pull away from each other. Volcanoes also form as magma rises upward from the underlying mantle along the gap between the two plates. We almost never see these volcanoes because most of them are located on the seafloor. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.